Guys, my GoPros are gonna die right again, but I was just hooked on and now Justin's hooked on. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you guys are watching this. It is already 9:30, doing a late intro, but Justin hooked a buck earlier. It was mostly on my GoPro died. I've hooked up and actually had 3 on, and I've had 3 bites that I've lost, so 6 total bites. 3 actually on though, I've literally lost all of them. Definitely not my morning, but it's a lot more action than we had the other day. We didn't make a video out of that. But, I don't know, the bite's a lot better out here. I have a good feeling about it. We also are fishing tomorrow. We got out here pretty much at like 5:30, so I'm with Justin right there.
How's it going?
Like I said, he's hooked up today. We got at least 1 in the boat, pretty decent sized buck as well, so hopefully we can get a few more. I just need 1 today, and the goal is definitely females because we need more skein, more eggs for future trips. So I will throw you guys back in the chest. We're gonna rip to a spot, and hopefully we can get a few more. So thank you guys for tuning in. As always, drop a like, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and let's go. God damn it, I f***ing went down again, and I f***ing missed it, yeah. Dude, something's gotta be wrong with this thing. Another one.
Seriously?
Yep. And I had that one on for a second.
Down?
Yep. Marked it too, there it is. Broke me off.
It broke you?
Yeah.
Oh. It broke?
Yeah.
Lord Jesus.
Guys, quick update. I haven't done a formal intro, but I'll get to that. But it is 6:40. I've hit 3 float drops. 3 float drops, 2 actually hooked on. And I got broke off on the 1. So this is more action than I just had the other day. Didn't even make a video out of that. Justin lost a big buck that day.
Dude, I can't get into it, but I like it.
I've had 4, dude, and I can't even land one. I can't even stay hooked up for longer than 3 seconds. Guys, my GoPros are gonna die right again, but I was just hooked on and now Justin's hooked on. Keep the tension. Put your rod down, put your rod down.
Yeah, you put your rod up when you're fighting salmon. What do you mean?
Not when it jumps, dude.
Yeah, dude, always keep pressure on it. Never, ever lose pressure.
How much spilled back there?
A lot.
Did it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we had a bunch of questions about like what we're using for these salmon. So me and Justin have done pretty decent so far this year. So we've been catching females, and we're actually using salmon eggs, skein, after Justin cures it. There's like a whole recipe to do it. There's like tons of different ways to do it too, but Justin's recipe is usually some of the best. So that's like what we're using. I'll show you guys in a little bit, like kind of exactly like what we're doing, but I'm using actually a treble hook to hold on the skein better. Justin's using a J hook. I've hooked most of my salmon this year all on the treble hook, but this morning the treble hook has not got it done for me, unfortunately. So my goal is just 1 fish today. It is 9:55, and hopefully we can get at least a couple more. Oh, they're on. As I'm talking right now, there's a charter boat that's on. I'll show you guys. Justin, any word?
Yeah, baby.
Dude, this has got to be solid. Grab the net, grab the net.
Let's go, Tommy.
Broke.
No, it did not. Oh my God.
It broke my leader and everything. I should have loosened my drag. That was big.
Yeah, that was big. We ain't leaving this spot yet.
God damn, dude. Guys, the bite is on today. I've literally lost like 5, 6 kings. I literally just hooked up to an absolute giant. Literally my line completely snapped. Today's definitely not my day, but I'm hoping I can at least get 1. We have 1 actually in the boat and tons of hits, so the bite is definitely back on. Get the net. Josh, will you go out to the right? Josh, I'm gonna have to cut over right. No shit.
He's very nervous right now, Josh.
Dude, you know how many f***ing kings I've lost today?
We apologize for any for any angle.
Got the fucking rocks,
Right on
dude.
the rocks, oh, we turn. Just keep it tight. I saw that rod, man. That was fucking, I heard you. And then I looked and you're fucking.
Don't be laughing now. Talk about it later, dude. Don't fall in, dude. You might want to stay crouched because I'm gonna in. He's got to be hooked pretty good. Justin, here he comes. Oh, wait. Is my drag, do you think it's pretty good?
Yep, keep it right there. Rod tip up and down. Don't force too much.
Get that f***er. Yes, god damn, thank God. Dude, that's
Big
huge.
fucker, dude.
That's huge. Oh my God, guys. I've lost so many ass juts. Like, guys, I didn't even keep the GoPro running for a lot of it. I broke off so many times. I had my rod in the back rod holder, took off like a f***ing saltwater fish. Rods, I broke off 3 times today. Hooked on so many times, finally. This is a PB King right here, giant. We're gonna get a few pictures. I'll have Justin set the camera down. We're gonna get a few pics so we can get this guy back in. How big?
23.6.
23 point. I don't think it's my PB.
23.6.
23.6. Thank you. All right, guys. One last look. One last look. Not my PB, 23.6 pounds, but lost so many kings today. This probably lost 9, 10. Finally landed one, so I'm gonna get this guy back in. Oh my God. Beautiful buck, beautiful buck. I seriously can't believe it took me this long. I think it's what, 12:30? I can't even see the time, but I think it's like 12:30-ish. And it took me 7 fucking hours to hit one fish. But I've hooked up so many times. The other day, Justin hooked up a bunch. I didn't like really hook up at all. Justin does have one from this morning, and I think he's lost 2, right?
Yeah.
So thank God I got this one. So we're gonna Justin set down the camera. I'm gonna get like one quick pick like this, and we're gonna send him off. But thank God. Let's fucking go.
Let's go back to bite. You got a mark? Yeah.
All right, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. To kind of put it all in a nutshell, lost a ton, had a ton of opportunities. The other day, kind of like I was saying in the video earlier, Justin hooked up a bunch and I hooked up like once that day. And today was the opposite. I hooked up a ton and Justin really only hooked up, I think, twice, I believe. He did catch one though too, so which is good. I had multiple opportunities. I couldn't get it done. Like I said, they just rip so much drag. They're a very hard fish to catch. For those who fish King Salmon, you guys know. I mean, early season when they're not like dying, like come October, they rip drag. They just take off, they pop you off. They got super sharp teeth, so they break you off a lot. I mean, I couldn't, like Justin was saying, I really couldn't do anything about my losses today. Like it was gonna happen one way or another, so it makes me feel a little bit better. But that one where I snapped off and supposedly on a super big one, that's what really got me pissed off. Like that kind of set the tone. I was just absolutely livid, had the rod off in the back. Literally was like a saltwater pole and just like started ripping drag going, and like I literally couldn't even rip it, like get it out of like the jack plate, like the talon. Like those 2 losses really hurt today. The other ones weren't as bad. I was hooked up on the other ones. It just, those 2 were big. But put the rod again back in that talon, went off again, loosened my drag so it can rip out and I can get the rod up, and I was able to land that one. That was actually my first buck, meaning male salmon, on my nitro, and actually being my first salmon on my nitro. All my other ones have came from shore. So first salmon on the nitro, awesome day. We're gonna be going right back out. It is 5 o'clock, and when I say we're going right back out, I'm gonna end this video, and we're actually gonna be getting up at 1:32 in the morning once again to go out tomorrow. So I'm gonna go home, or actually I'm gonna go gas up the boat, gas on my truck, go home, eat, and then pass out probably by like 6:30 and do it all over again. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. And we are